Hello children, good morning to all of you. Welcome back you all. Once again in mathematics we are here. Today we are going to start the chapter Congruency. Yes children, Congruency of Triangle. Actually any two picture or any two object will be congruent if they are similar in shape and size both. Yes, just like if you take the 1 rupee coins, all the 1 rupee coins are overlapping on each other, their thickness, their diameter, all are same. So all the coins are congruent to each other. In the same way, if you take 10 rupee notes, then all the 10 rupee notes, they are in the shape of rectangle and their length and breadth both are equal. So they are called congruent to each other. In the same way, today we are going to start congruency of triangle. See children, suppose I am taking a triangle ABC and second triangle PQR. Both are triangle, so they are similar in shape. But what about their size? We know that one triangle can be small and one triangle can be bigger also, maybe both equal also. So today we have to understand the term congruence and especially congruency of triangles. So children, you should know that if these two triangles are congruent, then suppose this triangle is picked up and it is kept over it and it is totally fit the second triangle. If the triangle ABC is totally covering the triangle PQR, then only we can say that both the triangles are congruent, because their size will also be equal. Is this clear? Two triangles will be called congruent if their shape and size are equal. But how? Try to understand here. If triangle ABC is brought and put over PQR, it means the point A will lie on point P, point B will lie on point Q, and the point C will fall on point R. It means very easily you can see that AB side must be equal to PQ side of the other triangle. Because this triangle is overlapping to the second triangle, then A point is falling on P, B point is falling on Q, C point is falling on R, then definitely side AB will be equal to side PQ. In the same way, the side BC will be equal to side QR and the side AC must be equal to PR. So from here we can conclude that if two triangles are congruent, then their all sides are equal. Now what about angles? Definitely two objects or any two figure will be congruent if their shape and size are equal. That means their all parts must be equal. It means here if we have seen all the sides are equal, then definitely their angles should also be equal. But you have to remember only the corresponding parts. Corresponding part means if you are taking angle A, then it must be equal to angle P. Why? AB is equal to PQ, AC is equal to PR, then definitely angle A is equal to angle P. Because this triangle is overlapping to triangle PQR, this is our assumption. We are assuming that triangle ABC is overlapping to PQR. That is why all the sides of this triangle is equal to sides of this triangle. Now we are finding more properties of triangles. Like here, other than side, angles are also there. So very easily we can conclude angle A is equal to angle P. Angle B is equal to angle Q also. That you can think if this triangle is overlapping to it, it is a compulsory situation that B must be equal to Q. In the same way, angle C should be angle R also. It means if triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. See, this is the symbol of congruency. Watch carefully how to make the congruency symbol. Then we are finding that side AB is equal to side PQ, side BC of this triangle is equal to side QR of this triangle, side AC of this triangle is equal to side PR of this triangle. Other than side, we are finding that angle A of this triangle is equal to angle of P also. By the same way, angle B must be equal to angle Q and angle C must be equal to angle R. Then only the triangle will overlap the second triangle. And if it is possible, then we will say that both the triangles are congruent. Because triangles are congruent if their shape and sizes are equal. So shape are already equal because they are triangle. But we have to see about the sizes. In a triangle, there are 3 sides and 3 angles are there. That means total 6 properties are there. Total 6. To check that 2 triangles are congruent or not, out of 6, only 3 we have to count, but in a definite pattern or in a definite order. This is the noted point for you. Out of 6, only 3 we have to search, then we can say that 2 triangles will be congruent. After finding those 3, remaining 3 will be automatically equal. What are those properties? They are called the criteria of congruency. See this one. The first criteria is side, side, side. It means if 2 triangles, all the sides are equal, then we can say that triangles are congruent. We do not need to check the angles also if all the 3 sides are equal. Understood? In these 2 triangles, suppose these 2 triangles I am taking, AB is equal to PQ, BC is equal to QR and AC is equal to PR, we are able to find, then we will say that both the triangles are congruent. We do not need to find the angles also. Okay, this is the minimum requirement. The second criteria is side angle side. Now what does mean of this criteria? See this. Suppose we are taking side AB is equal to side PQ. Side AB is equal to side PQ. See this one. Suppose AB is equal to PQ. After that, if angle A is equal to angle P, suppose I am taking angle A is equal to angle P, then definitely AC must be equal to PR. This is the important point. Side AB is equal to side PQ. If angle A is equal to angle P, then definitely AC must be equal to PR. Then only we will say that these 2 triangles are congruent. These criteria must be in the proper order. That is why they are called corresponding part. Corresponding to AB, PQ is there. Corresponding to AC, PR is there. So this is the second criteria. First criteria is side, side, side. Second criteria is side, angle, side. The third criteria is angle, side, angle. Means suppose angle A of this triangle and angle P of this triangles are equal. After angle A, suppose I am taking side AB. Side AB of this triangle and side PQ of this triangle. These 2 are equal, then definitely angle B should be equal to angle Q. This is the compulsory situation if we are taking angle, side, angle order. Angle, side, then angle B we have to take. To keep or to put this criteria, we have to follow the proper order. Because we have to take corresponding part. So there should be a definite order. Angle A is equal to angle P, AB is equal to PQ, then definitely angle B should be equal to angle Q. And then we can say that by the criteria of angle, side, angle, these 2 triangles are congruent. Is this clear? Now fourth criteria. Criteria 4 is angle side, otherwise side angle. See this, two continuous angles and then side, otherwise in reverse order, side and then angle. How? See this, suppose we are taking angle B of this triangle and angle Q of this triangle. These two are equal. Then after angle, another angle. Suppose C is equal to angle R. Angle C is equal to angle R. So angle, then after this side we have to take AC. Then only we can say angle, side. Suppose you are taking this side, then counting will be started from here. Angle, then this side. Here suppose I am taking side AC. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle C is equal to angle R, then definitely AC should be equal to PR. Then we will say that by the criteria of angle, side, these two triangles are congruent. So these four are the main criteria for congruency of two triangles. Now suppose that triangles are right angle, then if two triangles are right angles, then suppose this angle triangle ABC is right angled at B, and here PQR triangle is congruent at B, at Q. In this situation, angle B is equal to angle Q is equal to 90 degree. One is already equal. Next situation, and side AB must be equal to PR. Side AB should be equal to PR. Yes, hypotenuse should be equal. Right angle and hypotenuse should be equal, and then one angle. Suppose that another side. Suppose that BC of this triangle and QR of this triangle are equal, then also we can say that these two triangles are congruent. And this criteria is called, this is the fifth criteria, which is called in shortcut RHS. R for right angle, S for hypotenuse, S for side. So right angle, hypotenuse, side, this is the criteria. In two triangles, if they are the right angles triangle, then right angle, hypotenuse and any one side is equal, then we will say that both the triangles are congruent. Understood? If you wish, you can copy it. Then after we will start some questions from your exercise. Okay children, so we are going to start the exercise. Here the first question I have written on the board. And as we are following the R.S. Agarwal book, so I have taken the question from there, and that is your book also. So see here, the first question says that state the condition side, or side, or angle, side, angle, or RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side, under which triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR in each of the following. See here, in the first question there are two triangles made, and you have to search that by which criteria these two triangles are congruent. In the second question also you have to do the same. The two triangles are made here, and you have to tell that by which criteria these two triangles are congruent. So see this one, how you will solve these type of questions. The triangles which you have to show that these are congruent, first you will write the name of the triangles. In triangle ABC and triangle PQR, you have written the name of the triangles. Then after, search which quantities are equal. In triangle ABC, side AB is 2.5 centimeter. And you are watching that in the triangle PQR, PQ is also 2.5 centimeter. So are you watching? One side is equal. Now check the second side. Here AC is 3.5 centimeter and in this triangle PR is also 3.5 centimeter. In the triangle ABC, BC is 4 centimeter and in the triangle PQR, QR is also 4 centimeter. So you are watching that in these two triangles all the sides are equal. So you can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. And what is the criteria? That the question is asking. By which criteria the triangles are congruent? The method of solving of congruency is this, and criteria is written here. Side, side, side. Because all the three sides are equal, so triangles are congruent because of side, side, side. Now see the second part. In the second question, again triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You have to tell by which criteria these two triangles are congruent. So you have written the name of the triangles. Now write down all the given points. You are watching that in this triangle angle B is 90 degree and in this triangle angle Q is 90 degree. Yes children, this is the symbol of 90 degree. So you are watching that angle B of triangle ABC, angle Q of triangle PQR, both are 90 degree. Angle B and angle Q both are 90 degree. Right angles are these. Now check the hypotenuse. AC is the hypotenuse of this triangle. The side in front of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. The side in front of 90 degree is called hypotenuse. So you are watching that AC is equal to PR because both are the hypotenuse and both are equal given in the question. Now in this triangle AB and in that triangle PQ both are equal. It is given in the question. Right angle hypotenuse side. Right angle hypotenuse side. By the criteria of RHS, both the triangles are congruent. So how will you write it? Triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR and criteria is written here in the bracket RHS. RHS means right angle, hypotenuse and side. Question is asking by which criteria, but to find the criteria you will write all these things. Though it is given in the picture, you can write directly also, but you have to do practice for writing this statement, how to show that triangles are congruent. Okay, write down these two questions. Okay children, now see the second question. In the second question, state giving reasons which of the following are pairs of congruent triangles. Write down the names of triangles with congruent sign in case wherever they are congruent. There are 5 parts in the question. In every question 2 triangles have been made. Out of 5, 2 I have written here. In the first question there are 2 triangles. You have to tell that these 2 triangles are congruent or not. And if they are congruent, you have to give the reason also. That means how I told you in the first question, in the same way you can solve this question also. How? See here. First write the name of the triangles. So first with the help of picture, check that these are congruent or not. Angle, angle, side. 50 degree, 60 degree, then this side. 50 degree, 60 degree, then this side. Means angle, angle, side properties are followed by these 2 triangles. It means these 2 triangles are congruent. With the help of picture, very easily we are able to check that these are congruent or not. But you have to learn how to write. See, first write the name of this triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle, see children, ABC, here you have written, this triangle you can write DEF, you can write EFD also, You can write FDE also, that's okay. But we know that two triangles are congruent, then their respective sides, their corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. What is the meaning of it? This point you have to understand. If you are able to understand this point, then you can do any question very easily. See what I am saying. Here you have taken the order of this triangle A, B and C. Then what will be the order of this triangle? See, angle A not given. So here angle F is not given. It means if you are taking letter A first in the first triangle, then F will be the second. F will be the letter in the second triangle. Now, after A you are taking B. B is 60 degree. Here D is 60 degree. Means after F you have to take letter D. You are taking the corresponding part of the triangle. Angle A is equal to angle F. That is why you are taking. Angle A is not given here. Angle F is not given here. It means here angle A first. So here should be angle F first. Angle B you have taken here at the second place. Angle B is 60 degree in this triangle. So in this triangle angle D is 60 degree. So at the second place we will take D. And if you take two letters, then third will be automatically F, D and E. So this is the correct order about which the triangle is telling. You have to write the name of the triangles. So name of the triangles is this. A, B, C and F, D, E. These two are congruent. Okay. Now see here. How to write? In this triangle angle C is 50 degree and in this triangle angle E is 50 degree. You can write in this way also. Angle C is equal to angle E, both are equal to 50 degree. First angle is equal. Here angle B and angle D both are equal to 60 degree. Then after here AB and here FD both the sides are equal. Angle side criteria you have seen in the picture. Angle 50 degree, angle 50 degree. Angle 60 degree of this triangle, angle 60 degree of that triangle. AB side, DF side of that triangle. It means by the criteria of angle side, ABC triangle is congruent to triangle FDE and criteria is written in the bracket in this way. Understood? By the same method here, first watch the picture. 70 degree and two sides are given. Here 30 degree, 80 degree and two sides are given. The angle between two sides is not given in this triangle. Here angle between two sides is 70. Remaining two angles we do not know, so we cannot find also. But here two angles are given, so we can find the third angle. To check that these two triangles are congruent or not, here side angle side property is followed, but here side angle is not known. Side is given here. So first we will find the angle of this triangle, then after we will check that these are congruent or not. Because before finding we are watching no congruent. Side angle side angle is not known. So we cannot say that these are congruent or not. Here two angles are given, here only one angle is given. So we cannot apply the other criteria also. So first find the angle in that triangle. In triangle XYZ, angle X plus angle Y plus angle Z is equal to 180 degree. This property we know. Angle X is not given. Angle Y is 30 degree. Angle Z is 80 degree. That means angle X plus 110 degree is equal to 180 degree. So angle X is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now see, when we are calculating here angle X, it is coming 70 degree. Now we can see that triangles are congruent by the criteria of side angle side, side angle side. Understood? So how will you write the name? Suppose in this triangle you are writing triangle MLN. Suppose I am writing this. You can take any name, but I am writing MLN. Then what will be the order of that triangle? Order you can write any, that doesn't matter. But since corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal, that is why I'll advise you, take the proper order of the second triangle according to this one. Angle M is 70, their angle X is 70, so write here X first, because M is first in the first triangle. So X must be first in the second triangle, then it will be easy for you. L, now see, L is the second point. Which point we will take there? You are watching that ML is equal to XZ. LM is equal to XZ. Since M is first, L is second, so X is first, definitely Z should be second. So here you will write Z. And if two letters you have chosen, third will be automatically at the last. Understood? Triangle MLN and triangle XZY. In these two triangles, you are watching that MN of this triangle and XY of that triangle. MN is equal to XY. It is given in the question. Angle M is equal to angle X. Both are equal to 70 degree. Proved above. See here. It is not given in the question. This you have found here. Okay. Now third one is ML is equal to XZ. This is also given. So by the criteria of side, angle side, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. Triangle MLN is congruent to triangle XZY. And criteria will be written here, side, angle, side. Okay, remaining three parts of this question you will try yourself. Write down now. Okay, now see the question number 3, children. Question number 3 says that state giving reasons whether the following pairs of triangles are congruent or not. The question is same as question number 2, but in question number 2 the diagrams were given. Pictures were given, but here pictures have not given, statements have been given. See what is the statement given here? In the first part, triangle ABC in which angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 60 degree and BC is 4.5 centimeter. And triangle DEF in which angle E is 60 degree, EF is 4.5 centimeter, angle F is 70 degree, then we have to check that these two triangles are congruent or not. Children, when you are solving it, first draw the diagram, then it will be easy for you. See how to do. Draw triangle ABC and triangle DEF. And then write down all the given points. Angle A 50 degree, angle B 60 degree, BC is 4.5 centimeter. In the triangle DEF, angle E 60 degree, angle F 70 degree and EF 4.5 centimeter. Now watch carefully. 64.5, 70. 64.5, this term is unknown in this triangle. If you are taking the order of angle side from the triangle ABC, then here angle is unknown. Angle side. This property is not known here. In this triangle, if you are taking angle side angle, then here angle side angle is unknown. It means to check that these two are congruent or not, first we have to find the third remaining angle. Either of triangle ABC, otherwise of triangle DEF. out of two any one triangle's third unknown angle we have to find. Then very easily we can check that the triangles are congruent or not. So first, suppose I am finding angle C. You can find angle D also. Both the way we can check that these are congruent or not. But here I am finding angle C. So how will you write? In triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Angle A is 50 degree, angle B is 60 degree, angle C we do not know. 50 plus 60, 110. That means angle C is equal to 180 minus 110, that is 70 degree. Now angle C is 70 degree we have found. As you write here 70 degree, you can see that angle side angle criteria is followed by these two triangles. It means these two triangles are congruent because we are able to find the criteria angle side angle. So how will you solve it? See here, write down the name of the triangle. In triangle ABC and triangle DEF. See this one. In triangle ABC, angle B is 60 degree, and in triangle DEF, angle E is also 60 degree. In triangle ABC, BC is 4.5 centimeter, and in triangle DEF, EF is equal to 4.5 centimeter. In triangle ABC, angle C is 70 degree, and in triangle DEF, angle F is also 70 degree. Okay, so this is the method of writing. Now you are watching that both the triangles are congruent. So what is the symbol of congruency? This is triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF by the criteria of angle side angle. So first you will find the angle of a triangle, then after you will show that these two triangles are congruent. Okay, one more part I am doing here. This is the part 3 in question number 3. Triangle KLM in which KM is 4 centimeter, angle K is 75 degree, angle M is 40 degree. And triangle PQR in which PR is 4 centimeter, angle Q is 65 degree and angle R is 40 degree. So how will we check that these two triangles are congruent or not? First we will draw the triangle KLM and here the triangle PQR. Then after we will write all the given points. KM 4 centimeter, angle K 75 degree, angle M 40 degree. In triangle PQR, PR is 4 centimeter, angle Q is 65 degree, angle R is 40 degree. See, this question is same as the above one. Angle side angle, angle is unknown, then side and angle. If you are taking the order angle side, then here angle is missing. It means the process of solving this question is same as above. Same as above. Okay? See, I am doing. Now I am going to find this angle L. That second method which I was explaining there, the second method I am telling in this question. Okay? In triangle KLM and triangle PQR. Sorry. First we will find the angle L in this triangle. So in triangle KLM, angle K plus angle L plus angle M is equal to 180 degree. K is 75 degree. Angle L is not given. Angle M is 40 degree is equal to 180. 75 plus 40. How much? 115 degree plus angle L is equal to 180 degree. So angle L is equal to 180 minus 115, that is 65 degree. Now see, as angle L is 65, you can see the criteria. These two triangles are congruent. As you find immediately, you are able to see angle side, angle side. Are you watching? By the criteria of angle side, because 65 40 degree 40 degree, 4 centimeter 4 centimeter. In the continuous order, angle side criteria we are watching. So how to write it? First write the name of the triangles KLM and PQR. In these two triangles, here angle L is 65 degree and in that triangle angle Q is 65 degree. Here angle M is 40 degree, here angle R is 40 degree. Here KM is 4 centimeter and there PR is 4 centimeter. So by the criteria of angle side, both the triangles are congruent. So triangle KLM is congruent to triangle PQR by the criteria of angle side. See, in the previous question I have taken the order angle side angle, but here I am getting the criteria of angle side. Okay, questions are same, but method I am done by two ways. Okay, now note down. Okay children, now see question number 4. The question number 4, in the given figure AB equal to CD and AD equal to CB, then prove that first triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB and second angle A is equal to angle C. This is the picture given. First triangle is ABD. You can see that this triangle very easily. ABD is the first triangle. BCD is the second triangle. So we have to show that these two triangles are congruent. Children, if you watch the picture carefully, very easily you can see that these two triangles are congruent. Why? This side is equal to this side. AB is equal to DC. AD is equal to BC. These two are also equal. And the third side BD. This is also equal because this is present in both the triangles. It means these two triangles, all the sides are equal. So, how will you write it? See here. First solution, how you will do? First write the name of the triangles. In triangle ABD and triangle CDB, it is given that AB is equal to CD and AD equal to CB. Why are these equal? Because these are given in the question. When you are writing some triangles are congruent or not, given properties write down and in the bracket write down why they are equal. That means these two are equal, so why they are equal, write down, because it is given in the question. Okay, and the third part, the side BD is present in both, so it will be written as common. Because this side is common in both the triangles, you can see easily. BD is the line segment of both the triangles. So, all the sides are equal, so you can say that the triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Criteria is side, side, side. So first part is done. Second part, you have to prove that angle A is equal to angle C. Reason is very simple. Since both the triangles are congruent, so their corresponding parts are equal. Corresponding parts are equal. That means directly you can write, since triangle ABD is congruent to triangle CDB. Therefore, angle E is equal to angle C, because these are the corresponding part. In shortcut we write CPCT, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Angle A and angle C are equal because they are the parts of the congruent triangle, and in congruent triangle the corresponding parts are always equal. A is the first letter, C is the first letter. So angle A and angle C will be equal to each other. Okay? Now see the question 5 also. In the given figure, angle SPR is equal to QRP and angle RSP is equal to angle PQR. Then prove that PQ is equal to RS and PS is equal to QR. What's the picture made here? In triangle is not given. Angle SPR, this angle PRQ, this angle. These two angles are equal given. This angle S is equal to angle Q, this is also given. And you are watching that side PQ is common in both the triangles. Note down this point. PR side is common in both the triangles. So angle side. By the criteria of angle side, both the triangles are congruent. So see how to do it. We have to prove the sides are equal. But to prove the sides equal, first we have to prove that both the triangles are congruent. So first write down the name of the triangles. In triangle SPR and triangle. Now what will you take the name of this triangle? You can write any name, PQR, RPQ, QPR, QRP, anything. That doesn't matter. But if you write in the corresponding order, then it will be easy for you to search which angle will be equal to which angle, which side will be equal to which side of the other triangle. That is why it is necessary to write the second triangle in the corresponding order. You can see that SPR is the order of the first triangle. Angle S is equal to angle Q. So in the second triangle, Q will be the first letter. In the first triangle, P is the second letter. Angle P is equal to angle R. Then R will be the second letter of the second triangle. And automatically the third will be P. That means in the first two letters you have to be careful. Third will be automatically settled. Okay. Now see. In this triangle, angle RSP is equal to angle PQR. This is given. Angle S is equal to angle Q. See here. Angle RSP. RSP. This angle. PQR. This angle. So that we have written here. Okay. Second angle is SPR. SPR is equal to QRP. This is also given. Angle given. You have noted it. Now PR is present in this triangle also and this triangle also, because these two line segments are common in both the triangles. Now you can see angle side, angle side in this triangle also, angle side in that triangle also. It means triangle SPR is congruent to triangle QRP by the criteria of angle side. And since triangles are congruent, you can say that side PQ of this triangle, PQ is in this triangle, then RS in this triangle. So first write down SR is equal to PQ. SR of this triangle, PQ of this triangle. SR is equal to PQ and otherwise PQ is equal to RS. Both are same. So you can write here PQ is equal to RS. This is because of CPCT. CPCT means congruent part of congruent triangle. Understood? And the second part, PS is equal to QR. Again reason is same. When this PS will be equal to QR and SR is equal to PQ because of congruent part of congruent triangle. So we will write, since triangle SPR is congruent to triangle QRP, therefore PS of this triangle and QR of this triangle will be equal because of corresponding part of congruent triangle. This is the method of writing. Since these two triangles are congruent, you have proved above, so their parts will also be equal. So this part will be done directly. Just write the triangles congruent, so these two are equal. Reason is given in the bracket, corresponding part of congruent triangle. Okay, now see the sixth question. Again figure is given here. In the given figure, we have AO is equal to BO and CO is equal to DO. Then prove that triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD and AC is equal to BD. See, this is the picture given. Can you see triangle AOC and BOD? AOC this triangle, BOD this triangle. AO is equal to BO, CO is equal to DO. It is given. Notice one more point. Line segment AB and CD are intersecting each other at O. Then what is the name of these two triangles? If you have learnt, then it is easy. If you have forgot, it is difficult for you. If two lines intersect each other at a point, then these two angles are called vertically opposite angles. These are called vertically opposite angles, and vertically opposite angles are always equal. So, side angle side order of this triangle, side angle and side of this triangle, these two order are followed. So, we can say that these two triangles are congruent. So, how will you write? See here. In triangle AOC and triangle BOD, it is given that AO is equal to BO. It is given angle AOC is equal to angle BOD, vertically opposite angles. This is the reason why these two angles are equal. Vertically opposite angles. And the third one is CO is equal to DO because it is given in the question. So you can say that triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD by the criteria of side angle side. Try to understand this point. Angle side angle order we are following in both the triangles. Okay, so this is the first part. In the second part, AC is equal to BD. See, this is AC, this is BD. If these two triangles are congruent, then their all the respective sides and angles are equal. It means AC and BD are the corresponding parts of the congruent triangle. So how will you write? Since triangle AOC is congruent to triangle BOD, therefore AC of this triangle and BD of this triangle will be equal because of CPCT, congruent part of congruent triangle. Okay, for today this much only, children. The remaining questions I will give you in the next video. Okay, bye bye.